waiting for you on the dark side of the moon. And if you happen to get there before me, leave a message and the dust just for me. If I don't see it, I'll be waiting for you.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is about some new virgin hair that I did receive. This hair is from RECOOL. It's a company that I've worked with multiple times before in the past, and I love their hair. It's just that simple. They sent me a new type of hair this time. It is curly hair. So if you want to learn more about this hair, then definitely keep on watching. Before we get started, you know you got to do one thing for me. You already know what it is. Say it with me now. Subscribe. That's right. Subscribe. Subscribe for more, and make sure you turn on post notifications so you never miss a new upload. So this is the hair that I received. I did receive a closure this time. This is what the closure looks like. It was pretty small. I was shocked. It's like very small. But this is what the closure looks like. I did receive 4 bundles of hair. I did use pretty much all 4 bundles. You know, when you get a closure and you want it thick, then you definitely need to get, you know, 3 bundles or more. So this is what the hair looks like. It's really pretty. This is it fresh out the pack. I did not bleach the knots or do anything like that to the hair. In order to go ahead and wear this hair, I'm just going to add some foundation underneath here, and I'm just going to wear a light color stocking cap, and hopefully that will give me the look that I'm going for. So I'm just going to add some foundation to the closure. If you're curious about the hair that I'm rocking right now, I do have a review on my channel of this hair. This is a synthetic wig that I did make using a spandex cap. So I will leave a link to this hair right up here, or you can go ahead and check the information bar down below. All right, so I already have a cap on right now. It's a black cap. My hair is just pulled back into a ponytail, and I just lifted the ponytail up. So this is what I'm working with right now. I didn't braid my hair down. I have a couple other styles and things that I need to accomplish, so I could not braid my hair down this time. But you'll see it'll work out fine without the braids. My hair is getting so thick and it's natural that braids sometimes are not that flat, especially if I don't really take my time with them. So I'm finding that sometimes it's easier for me to just pull my hair in a ponytail to get a flatter look. While you and me repeat. I'm gonna just twist this to the side, and let's see how this hair looks. This hair looks really pretty, but it's a little bit too perfect for my liking, so I think I'm just gonna grab a wide tooth comb and comb this out. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. And even though it's curly, I'm literally going through it very easily. And you know, curly hair can sometimes be a chore. But this looks really pretty. I really like it. I'm not too much into parts and things like that, so I think I'm just gonna flip her over. Set my heart afire. Gonna flip her over. I'm not gonna do like a super hard part or anything. I just want to look at the shape a little bit and make sure it's falling the way that I want. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and grab my edge brush that was sent to me courtesy of BABYTRESS. So thank you so much, BABYTRESS, for sending over this edge brush. I haven't opened it yet, so we'll do it together. But I'm so excited to see that there is a brush that is coming out that is a little higher quality, better materials, softer materials for your edges. So let's go ahead and try out BABYTRESS. I love that it has a lid. It's almost like a toothbrush. You want to keep it, you know, nice. It's going to be on your hair. So I love that it has a cover. That's genius. I love that it is soft and malleable at the end. I feel like you can use this for, you know, shaping and things like that, but it is soft enough to where it doesn't feel harsh on your hair. This side feels like silicone, and this side is bristles. So I love the shape, how it's narrow at the top and wider at the bottom. It says BABYTRESS on it. Super cute. It comes in a bunch of different colors. I did receive another one. This one is in the shade gray. This one I think I'll be giving away for you guys. So definitely comment down below what your favorite way to wear your baby hairs. If you like just a little bit of baby hairs, no baby hairs, extra AF baby hairs. Let me know how you like your baby hairs down below. Make sure you're following BABYTRESS on Instagram. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, and make sure you're subscribed to this channel, and you will be entered to win. So let me know how you like your baby hairs down below to go ahead and be entered to win. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some edge control. The edge control I'm going to use today is by Luster's Pink. So I'm just going to dip it in. Oh, how about I actually cut some baby hairs? I'm so excited about the freaking brush. I didn't even take any baby hairs out. So let me take some baby hairs out. As you can see, you can use the edge of the brush to get your baby hairs out, which is nice. I've been liking my baby hairs pretty short. Okay, maybe I'll zoom in a little bit. It's hard for me to see right now, but I'm trying my best. Okay, so it's definitely working. I wouldn't say that this side is particularly any softer than, you know, my other one. Actually, yes, it is. It's actually softer than this one. This is the one that I've been using. But actually the bristles are softer now that I actually felt them together. So when I'm dipping it out, I do feel like a lot of the product is like sinking into the brush. Which you don't want it to sink into the brush too much. Like you want it to stay at the top of the brush. So I feel like I have to like squeeze some of it back to the top, because you want the product to get on your hair and not be like stuck in the brush. But it's definitely doing a good job laying the baby hairs down. Like, it's definitely doing that. I love how gentle it is and how like it's spreading the hairs. It's really spreading the hairs nicely. I like that. It has a very natural look. I'm curious what this back silicone side will do. So I'm gonna try that too. I'm gonna put a little bit of edge control on this silicone side. So I'm just dipping it in. And I think I'm just gonna like push this part back. So the silicone side is almost like a comb. I would definitely liken it to a comb. Trying to make sure I don't pull too hard, but I definitely want these hairs going back. I really love how gentle this brush is. I absolutely adore that about this brush. Really cute. I love the finished product. I think I'm just gonna add a little bit of gel. You know what? I'm not even gonna add gel because I really like how it looks right now. So I'm just gonna leave it. I'm honestly just gonna leave it. All right, let me back up. I love how that looks. I love how this hair looks. It's really beautiful hair, which I'm not surprised. I've worked with RECOOL plenty of times before in the past, and I've never been disappointed. My favorite hair from them is their Bone Straight, but I also really like this hair as well. But definitely my favorite hair from them is their Bone Straight. But this is really, really gorgeous. I love it. I feel like this would be great, like summer hair. It's good for the winter too. Keep your head nice and warm. Okay, so make sure you guys check the information bar down below on how you can enter the giveaway, and also check on how you can purchase this. I'll leave a link to purchase down in the information bar down below as well. If you guys want to know more about this hair or want to check it out on RECOOL's site, I'll leave a link down there as well. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you guys are subscribed to this YouTube channel. We hit 31,000 subscribers and I couldn't be more excited. Thank you guys so much for your constant love and support. Follow me on all my social media at Jess the Dragoness, and make sure you check out my website, www.gleemade.com. There'll be a discount code in the information bar down below as well. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned for the slow-mos.
I'll be waiting for you on the dark side of the moon. And if you happen to get there before me, leave a message and the dust just for me. If I don't see it, I'll be waiting for you.